In this lesson, we'll be talking about the different types of rests you will see in music. For every type of note, there is an equal and opposite rest. And as we've said before, when you play a note, you make a sound. When you play a rest, you make silence. Our first rest, the way I think of it, if you follow my mouse, if you're walking on the line and you fall in a whole rest. And again, whole rest with a W, as in the whole measure. Whole rest. Our next rest looks like a whole rest, except you're walking on the line and you have to hop over it. It's not a whole rest. This one, it actually looks almost like a top hat. This is a half rest. So its companion note would be the half note. Think 1/2. Half rest. Our next rest is very distinct. Sometimes you'll see it published and it looks like a 3. But whatever the case, if it doesn't look like a whole rest or a half rest, and it doesn't have any flags or anything hanging on it, then it's probably a quarter rest. So its companion note would be the quarter note. A quarter rest. Next, we have what looks like a 7, but it also has a pole that kind of leans to the right with a flag. You could think of it that way. And as we know, one flag, one beam, 8th note. But in this case, it's an 8th rest. 8th rest. When you add another flag to the pole, then you have a 16th rest. So just like the 16th note has 2 flags or 2 beams, the 16th rest has 2 flags. 16th rest.